Hey, I'm Alan Brito, I'm an architect, and in this video, I'll show you how to do something that a lot of people think it's impossible. I will get these two Revit files here, these RVT project files, and I will open them in Blender to edit the project content using Bonsai BIM. And you might be saying, well, this is easy. Just open the files in Revit, export as an IFC, and you are good to go. And you are correct. But there is a problem here. I don't have a Revit subscription, and I don't want a Revit subscription just to convert or open these two files. So I will teach you how to do this using only free tools. Not everything is open source, but I will only use free tools for this workflow. And one of the core tools that I'll be using for this process is this converter here called CAD to Data Revit IFC DGGN. And as you can see, it's available for free from GitHub. And to download this converter here, you just need to come here under code and get the zip file to grab everything. You will get some binary files here, so keep that in mind. And the download size will be about 1 gigabyte. And what is their secret? How is that possible? How can they offer a way to open Revit files without the need to use Revit? Well, it's because they are licensing this SDK here called BIM-RV from the Open Design Alliance. You might remember them from a previous tutorial, for instance, when I was explaining how to convert AutoCAD files to DXF using the ODA file converter. Well, it's the same company, but this SDK here, it's not free. That converter that I just showed to you, they are actually licensing that SDK, but you do not have access to the source code. Unfortunately, if you take a look here under the converters, you will see that they only offer a converter for Windows and Linux, so no option to use it on a Mac. I already downloaded the converter. Let me show you here. Once you extract the zip, this is what you will get inside. And if I open here the Windows converters, and you will find multiple different folders here. You get this folder called Revit to IFC, which is the one that we'll be using. There is another one here called Converter Revit. What is the difference? When you open this Revit only converter, you will be able to convert your RVT files into something like OBJ, which will be fine for instance, if you just want the 3D data. But an OBJ will strip everything that it's useful from the Revit project file. For instance, you won't have any more classes, you won't be able to extract schedules. It will lose story data. Everything will be lost. So I'll be using this Revit to IFC, and it's an executable. So this is what you will get. This is the converter. Let me bring my Revit files here. You can convert them in batch. Just drag the files here. I will ask the converter to save it on the same folder and start the process here. I will pause the video because this will probably take a few moments. Those are really large files, and I will get back once the converter is finished. And the conversion has finished. Let's take a look into Blender and Bonsai to see if it will be able to open those IFC projects. So let me go to File, Open IFC. And let's try this one here first, modern building. Let me load the file to see if it will work. Since this is a large file, it might take a few moments for a Bonsai to read and convert the data. And here it is. Just open the Revit project file. Let me hide these grid lines here. And we have our first Revit project. Now let's try the second one. And by experience, I know that in some cases, the conversion process from RVT to IFC might result in a few errors. So let's see if this second file will give us a clean geometry or if it will display some errors. So let's try Auto RVT, load project. And if it will give us an error, you'll see that Bonsai will first display an error, and yes, this one got us an error. Let's try to load this anyway to see how it will look. And most of the errors that will come from those IFC files converted from Revit, they are usually related to missing elements or elements that are not in the correct story. And yes, this is probably an error. I don't think this was how this Revit file was supposed to open. So let's inspect the IFC. I have here a BIM vision. So let me try to open this Auto RVT. Usually these IFC visualizers, they will ignore or bypass a lot of those errors. And this is what we get here. This is our file. Now, is there a way to fix this file to try to open and edit their contents in Blender and Bonsai? Yes, there is a way, and we can use IFC OpenShell for this. From experience, since I did this a lot of times, I know what is the most common problem. So I created this small script here called RVT to IFC Bonsai. It's not a converter. It will just try to fix the IFC file. So you can download it from here. It's using, as you can see, Python and IFC OpenShell. So how does it work? Let me bring here my folder. This is the folder with the IFC files. I already have PowerShell open here in the same folder, and I will just copy and paste my script. So what I need here is to call the script using Python. This will be fixed to data.py, and then I will add the name of the IFCs. It will be Auto RVT.ifc. Then the script will call IFC OpenShell. It will look for problems, and as you can see here, it found some problems. For instance, 124 IFC spaces not into a story. It will fix a lot of them here, and it will keep looking for more problems. Product definitional. It just fixed almost 4,000 entities, and we can try to load this again here in a Bonsai. So let me go to File, Open IFC Project. And this is the fixed IFC. Let's try to open it again to see if this will work. Again, it will take a few moments for Bonsai to load the file. And there we have it. The same file, now fixed. This was, again, a Revit project file, and you have access to everything here. You can, for instance, you can open the elements types. You will see a lot of duplicates here for those elements. You can inspect windows as well. This is both a way to interact with someone, for instance, that it's developing a project in Revit and you don't really have Revit. They will send you the file. You can open this into Bonsai, or for instance, if you migrated from Revit to an open source workflow, well, you still have access to your old library. You just need to convert them to IFC. And this is it. Now you know how to convert Revit files to IFC without the need to use Revit at all. And if you want to check any of the resources, converters, scripts that I used in this tutorial, I'll leave links in the description. I will also leave a link in the description for my latest workshop called Blender for Architecture with Bonsai BIM. If you ever wanted to learn how to use Bonsai BIM, this is a 20-hour workshop where I will teach you from scratch how to use the parametric modeling tools, how to create 2D documentation like floor plans, how to create sections, and how to extract data from IFC objects with Bonsai BIM. This is lifetime access. You can come back and watch the videos, the lessons as many times as you want. And you will also support my work here in Blender 3D Architect. Again, I will leave a unique discount code in the description. So again, I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future tutorials. See you next time. Bye.